Once in a cozy little house, there lived a sly little mouse named Max, who was known for his quick wits, and he often found himself narrowly escaping the clutches of Whiskers, the ever-watchful cat. One sunny afternoon, as Max nibbled away at some leftover cheese, he noticed Whiskers lounging lazily in a sunbeam, seemingly unaware of his presence. Seizing the moment, Max decided to perform his favorite trick, darting across the floor to grab a piece of cheese, hoping to make it back to safety before the cat could react. With the cheese clutched tightly in his tiny paws, Max knew this was a risky endeavor, but his confidence surged as he prepared for a daring escape.